We'll guide you through how to make your background transparent in Canva. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.
First of all, make sure you're not using an image as the background. If you are, you'll need to go and remove it. And then what you need to do is make sure you're using a solid color as the background as well. So just go and click on the canvas. You can then head to the top left, click on background color, and then just go and choose one of these solid colors here, and that'll be transparent. And then what you need to do is go to the top right and go and click on share. And you then need to go down to download like so. And what you need to do is go and select transparent background. You will need Canva Pro for this. If you're yet to go and get Canva Pro, you should be able to go and get a trial. So all you need to do is go down to the link in the description or the pinned comment. That'll support the channel and no extra cost to you. It is an affiliate link and you can go and get it. And then once you've got it, come back to this download section up here. Make sure the file type is set to PNG, select transparent background, and you can then go and click on download. It'll go and take a couple of seconds to download, and here it is. I can then go and open it up, and as you can see, it's transparent. We just have the text here. It's that simple.